Hello, my friends. I received the most marvelous gift in the mail last week. A box of Prizm Pour Ultra Metallics from Leslie Onstadt from Color Art. And they're just so mesmerizing. The colors are fantastic. She sent me quite an assortment. I thought I'd do a straight pour today with them, and it was hard to choose which ones, but I narrowed it down to 4. And I'm going with, the names are wonderful too, Royal Sapphire, Chantilly Lace, Tuscan Sun, and Twilight Violet. Now I'm using the recommended recipe that came with the paints. In this case, 2 parts Floetrol and 1 part Prizm Pour. And then I'm coupling it also with some matte paints. I've got a black, a yellow-green, from Soft Green Yellow, actually. And then I mixed a Soho Manganese Blue, to which I added a little white. Not enough, though. I wish I had gone a little lighter than it, but it's okay. And I've alternated the colors, metallic, matte, and so forth. So I'm super excited to see how it turns out and to do a lot more painting with these amazing metallics. So thank you, Leslie, and let's get to it. I forgot the cup. Okay, I've thought about the order of my paints. I'm going to start with the white, or Chantilly Lace, rather. I'll probably get a good 3 layers with each one. I didn't add any water to the Prizm pours. The matte colors needed a little bit of water to meet the consistency of the metallics. So that's all I did, but very little, maybe a half a teaspoon in a cup this size, about 2 ounces of paint. That is a magnificent gold. It's going to be amazing next to the black. This is a beautiful color. The, what's it called? Royal Sapphire. Wow. Look at the shimmer in here. I hope you can see that. It's got little hints of green, I would say, and lighter turquoise, a couple of colors in there. It's marvelous. And I do love this color, yellow-green, green-yellow, with a lot of things. It goes so nicely with blues, violets, and yellows. Okay, layer number 2. I thought about adding a drop of silicone to one of these colors, and I suppose I still could, but I think I will not. I will reserve that for another video. It would be fun to see how they behave with silicone. These paints are often used for the bloom technique, and in fact this little card gives a recipe for the bloom. It's not something that I've gotten into, but there are plenty of teachers out there that teach the bloom and do a beautiful job with it. I may try it at some point, but I may not. Okay, one more layer. I'm not going to worry about every drop because I'm making some Christmas ornaments, and I may be able to use some of these colors on ornaments. That should be marvelous. but not black. I'll pour all the black in here. Just for contrast, I wanted some drama. Okay. Oh yeah, plenty of this color left. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay. All right. Here we go. Looks so pretty in there. I'm going to pour from this edge. Pretty much a straight pour. Maybe I'll do a little traveling thing. Oh, it's so fun. I'm just mesmerized when I pour out these colors, or any time you do a straight pour. It's just fun to see what happens. Wow. There's a lot going on here. Okay. I can stop now. Okay. Look at that. Looks pretty wonderful right now. Let's hope it tilts out to something wonderful. Okay. I think I'm going to be taking a break from pouring for a while from YouTube. I need to pull everything out of my studio here and pull up the carpet. This is actually a den. It's got carpet in here, and I've ruined it, of course, with my painting. And I would like to... We're either going to polish the cement floor. Oh, look at the cute little cells that have popped up. Polish the cement or put down some kind of easy care flooring. So if I disappear for a while, I hope you won't give up on me. I have over 240 videos. I can't imagine anybody's seen all of them. So there's plenty to see. And I shall return. Oh, look at that edge. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Wow. Kind of reminds me of Peacock colors. Especially in this area. Looks like peacock feathers, even. Okay. this white area is not doing much for me, so what shall I do? I'm going to go over here and get this corner covered, and then I will come here and let that stretch out and sacrifice some of this white, I think. You know, it may change as I tilt it, and I may like it. But I'm bringing the paint weight back to the center. And now shoot over to this corner. I don't have anything made up as a flow extender to use, so I'm just making it stretch, but you get interesting, you know, more interesting effects that way, I think, when you really tilt a lot and stretch it out. I mean, look at that section there. That's wild. Okay. So back to the center. Okay. Wow, that's pretty fun. What do I think? Look at the edges. Isn't that pretty? This is a gallery wrapped canvas, so I won't have to frame it. And the edges can be enjoyed. That is pretty wild. I think I may be done. It's very mysterious looking. I think that's the orientation I kind of like. I have to touch up the edges just a little bit, but I think I'll let it dry and then touch it up with a solid color. I hope you can appreciate the shimmer in here. The Prizm Pour colors brought a shimmer to all of them, including the matte paints, which make the whole thing just kind of glow. And I don't mind the little cells that popped up. They're kind of sweet, but I think you can see the shimmer, right? So many interesting areas here by really stretching it out. The corner needs fixing. Look at that serpentine form there and all of that. So much going on. This one does not need any embellishing. A lot of dimension here in those color combinations. Wow. That's pretty fun. Leslie, thank you so very much for sending me these paints. I'm really excited to play with them some more and try different techniques and applications to the canvas. So I thank you again, and I thank you, my friends, for watching. And let me just bring you in as I say goodbye. Happy painting.